Hello everyone. Welcome back to Daily English with Diana. How's everything? In the previous episodes, we talked about coughs, sore throats, and losing your voice. What should we do if we have these symptoms? First, we can take some cough drops. C-O-U-G-H, cough, drops, D-R-O-P-S, drops, D-R-O-P-S. Cough drops are small candies that contain medicine to help with sore throats and coughing. They can make you feel much better. It doesn't matter if it's a productive cough or a dry cough. Dry, D-R-Y, dry. A dry cough means you don't have phlegm, but it makes your throat feel very itchy. You can also take cough syrup. S-Y-R-U-P, syrup. S-Y-R-U-P. It's a sweet liquid with medicine that helps stop coughing. Doctors often give it to kids because it's hard for them to swallow pills. If your sore throat is very serious, you can use throat spray. Spray, S-P-R-A-Y, spray, S-P-R-A-Y. Just open your mouth and spray it into your throat 1 to 3 times. It works quickly and helps a lot. Okay, let's practice some sentences. I have a dry cough. I have a dry cough. I need some cough drops. I need some cough drops. My baby sister needs to take some cough syrup. My baby sister needs to take some cough syrup. You keep coughing. You should use throat spray. It helps. You keep coughing. You should use throat spray. It helps. That's all for today. I'm happy to teach you these useful words. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send me a message. I'd love to help. See you next time. Bye-bye.